I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade your Canva workflow using a simple method that helps you access unique letter style elements that most users don't even know exist. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account, click on Create, and pick any canvas size you want. Once your blank canvas is ready, open your browser and go to canvakeywords.com. Normally, you'd search inside Canva the usual way, typing any term into the Elements search bar and dragging whatever fits your design. It works, it's quick, and it's enough for basic layouts. But here's where you can take things way further. If you want more creative, stylized, and rare lettering elements, this next step will instantly level up your designs. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find the Filters section. There, you'll see different categories including alphabets. Click that category, and you'll get a full set of letter style elements, each one paired with its own special code. These aren't your typical search words. These codes reveal a completely different set of aesthetic elements inside Canva. When you find a letter style you like, simply click Copy, go back to your Canva design, head to Elements, and paste the code into the search bar. Canva will instantly show you a curated set of letter elements that are usually hidden or hard to discover with normal searches. It's perfect for making standout titles, logos, personalized graphics, or any design that needs a more unique touch. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've learned how to start a design, find the alphabet category on canvakeywords.com, copy the codes, and unlock letter styles inside Canva that most people overlook. It's fast, easy, and an amazing way to boost your creative workflow with almost zero effort. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.